Okay, now I want to talk to you a quick moment about running and your technique while you run. Just a few quick pointers to make sure that you are trying to have correct technique when you're out running. First is make sure that you're not hill striking. So a lot of people try to make sure that they're getting long strides when they're running. You actually want to try to shorten your strides up. Normally, people aim for between 170 and 190 strides per minute, and you can utilize a metronome. Some of the apps have a metronome, or you can find certain music that you can use to try to make sure that you're hitting that rate. But what you want to do is make sure that you're not hill striking. You don't want to have your stride so far out in front of you that you're hitting with your heel, because you're going to end up using your quad to push yourself, and you're also going to be overextending, and it's going to be something that can cause injury if you do that. What you want to do is try to land and have your knee over your foot. You want to run tall, and you want to try to have a little bend in your hip. So when you're landing, you're actually landing around this position and using your hamstring to pull yourself through and then push off with your quad and your calf. So you want to try to hit somewhere here and then pull and then push through, as opposed to hitting in a heel strike and then having to pull and then using your quad to get through. It's a lot harder movement for you. You're not using your hamstrings the way you should. You're not getting your glutes involved, and it's going to make it to where you're not getting the progress you need to with your running. So rather than making it to where you're constantly striking on your heel, you're beating up your joints, you want to try to make it to where you're landing over top of your foot and then pushing through. If you can do that continually, shorten your stride, it's going to make it a lot more comfortable for you to run. You're going to see a lot better results, and it's going to be a little more enjoyable, even though it might take some getting used to, because it will put a little extra strain on the back of your leg.